Welcome to a new video of snowfall in Japan. Japan is facing one of the most dangerous winter disasters in recent history, as a powerful, severe cold front triggers record-breaking snowfall across the country, burying cities, highways, railways, and villages under massive layers of ice and snow. From Hokkaido to Niigata, Tohoku, and Hokuriku, daily life has come to a complete standstill, as nonstop blizzards, freezing winds, and whiteout conditions continue without pause. Vehicles are stranded on frozen roads, bullet trains are suspended, flights are canceled, and thousands of families are struggling with power outages and supply shortages, while temperatures remain dangerously low. Freezing Siberian air collides with warm moisture from the Sea of Japan, creating intense sea-effect snow that keeps falling day after day, breaking decades-old records and overwhelming emergency systems. According to verified information from the Japan Meteorological Agency, disaster management authorities, and trusted global news agencies, this is one of the most extreme winter events the nation has ever experienced. Snow depths in several regions have exceeded seasonal averages by more than double. While rural towns and mountain communities remain isolated for days. Elderly residents and vulnerable families face the greatest risks as heavy snow blocks roads and emergency access. Rescue teams, firefighters, police, medical workers, and Japan's self-defense forces are working around the clock to clear routes, deliver food and medicine, and evacuate people trapped by rising snow levels. Heavy machinery are being deployed in dangerous conditions to save lives. Eyewitness videos and reports reveal shocking scenes of buried neighborhoods, frozen vehicles, collapsed roofs, and endless white landscapes where streets once existed. Social media footage shows residents digging tunnels just to leave their homes, while travelers wait for hours inside stalled trains and buses. These real-life images, combined with official weather data and satellite analysis, confirm the unprecedented scale of this disaster and highlight how quickly normal life can collapse under extreme weather. Experts warn that climate change is making winter storms stronger longer, and more unpredictable by increasing atmospheric moisture and disrupting jet stream patterns. This means disasters like this may become more common in the future, affecting not only Japan, but countries around the world. The 2026 snowfall crisis is a powerful reminder that even advanced nations are vulnerable when nature reaches its limits, and that disaster preparedness is more important than ever. In this video, you will see dramatic footage of snow-covered cities, stranded highways, emotional survivor stories, intense rescue missions, and detailed weather explanations based on verified sources. Our goal is to present accurate, responsible, and trustworthy reporting without exaggeration, ensuring that viewers receive real information they can rely on.
Tohoku 来た前から。はい、トラック来ました。気づいてねえのかな。気づきましたね。気づいたな。おい、大丈夫かよマジで。いけるかあれ。
Beyond the immediate damage, this storm has caused massive economic losses, disrupted tourism and trade, damaged agriculture, and placed huge pressure on local governments and communities struggling to recover. Our thoughts are with all the families and regions affected by this devastating winter storm. By watching and sharing this video, you help spread awareness about natural disasters, extreme weather risks, and the importance of safety and preparation. Always follow official weather warnings, keep emergency supplies ready, and avoid unnecessary travel during severe conditions. If you want reliable coverage of natural disasters, breaking weather news, earthquakes, floods, and climate events from around the world, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Like, comment, and share to support independent reporting and help others stay informed. Thank you for watching. Stay alert, stay prepared, and stay safe.